How to create code using Perplexity AI. First, go to Perplexity AI and start a new search, basically. So once you're on here, just place your cursor on here. And then instead of asking normal questions, clearly describe the code you want. So you could use something as simple as this here. Write a Python script that creates a simple calculator, and then you can simply hit enter. But always be specific with your prompt. The more specific you are, the better the code is. So you could, instead of write a script that creates a simple calculator, you could enter something like create a responsive HTML landing page with CSS, and then simply click on enter, and then proceed to copy the generated code. All right, so simply scroll till you find this copy here, and then simply click on it to copy the entire code. And then if you notice any issues, you can refine or debug it. So if something doesn't work, just ask it to fix it or improve the code. So you can ask it to shorten or fix the code, and then simply hit enter, and it's going to shorten and fix the code for you. This is a much shorter code, as you can see. And then you can simply copy this new code and paste it in your code editor.